In this LED, I am going to explain about why we are using Moodle, for what purpose. So here, the following are the reasons why people are choosing Moodle. Basically, Moodle is an open source. That is, there is a chance of customizable code and educational philosophy and community. So the designing of Moodle is based on the technological and pedagogical principles of education and the student-centric, not only teacher-centric. That means in a traditional classroom system or physical classroom system, all the students assembled in a particular physical class area. At that time, the instructor or a teacher come to the classroom and explain those concepts inside the classroom. But in the case of Moodle, there is a chance of student-centric, according to student needs, according to the time, according to the flexibility of the student. They can listen the videos or LEDs or particular lessons explained by the teachers or trainers. And community means there is a large support of Moodle for its development. So many developers are working on this particular platform according to the requirements needed by the industry or organizations or academia. And next second is, it is very easy to use. That is, the graphical user interface is very good, and we are able to use very easily without knowing any programming knowledge, and access to resources via the web. So there must be a common web. We can store all these Moodle site in a cloud or in a cloud. That means supposed to be the size of the Moodle site is very large. It is not possible to install or store entire data into a single system. So we can store all the data related to Moodle in a particular cloud. From that cloud, the data is decentralized. Anybody from anywhere can access that particular things, resides, or furnished or accomplished in this particular Moodle website. Next, interaction and discussion among learners and trainers. So interaction and discussions means, so supposed to be a learner need to learn something about a particular concept, so no need to go anywhere. He simply sit in his system and just log into the Moodle cloud. From there, all the people who are interested in a particular course, they can register inside the course with respect to learner side and with respect to trainer side, and they will communicate with each other through that Moodle cloud or Moodle site. And next, communication and collaboration between learners. For example, a particular topic is explained by a trainer. After completion of trainer contribution, they'll freely discuss among themselves about the topic completed, and they provide their opinions and suggestions on what things we need to enhance and what things we need to control or manage those things. And independent learning pathways. So we do not need to dependent on any other ways, and here the cost is also very effective. No need to buy anything. This is always a free software, and anybody can log into Moodle Cloud freely, and they learn or they listen those classes very effectively. And learner tracking. Learner tracking means from starting to ending, what are the topics or whatever the activities given by the trainer, whether those activities are well done or executed or listened and executed by the learner or not, by providing some assignments or providing some quizzes to the learner. And feedback on tasks, activities, and responsibilities. So here, think about it. In this point, feedback on tasks, activities, and responsibilities. Who will give the tasks, activities? Who will give the tasks, activities, and responsibilities to whom? Just pause your video and think about who will give the tasks, activities, and responsibilities to whom. Yeah, okay. So basically, to know about the learner strategy or to know about the learner potential, whether he listens the classes clearly or not, trainer or teacher must provide tasks, activities, and responsibilities to the learner or student. right? Then only learner take all those quizzes or assignments and perform their activities. That activity, the output of the result of activities or tasks will give a brief idea about the learner performance level. Next, protected environment. So it is not possible to register or log in to some other accounts. Every user, whether he is a learner or whether he is a teacher or whether he is a trainer, they must provide a credentials or user ID passwords, and there must be a sharing option, there must be a protection option for their data, and automatic backup. So once the activities or lectures are completed, we are maintaining a backup server or backup database to store the completed tasks or historical data. So whenever we need, we can restore those databases into the current database and can utilize those services. And comprehensive gradebook based on work submitted by learners. So once the activities or responsibilities given by the trainers are completed by the learners, then according to their performance, we need to give the grades and certificates according to them, according to their performance levels. Thank you. Thank you very much. In this video, we will complete why Moodle.